In this video, I'm going to talk about the best bot to start trading Solana meme coins. Now, this video is going to go in this sequence. First, I'm going to show you how to start doing meme coin copy trading using this bot. And after that, I'll show you how to snipe meme coins on Solana. And with this same method, you can use that to buy coins on pump.fun. So this video is going to answer all of your questions as to the best ways to start trading Solana meme coins. And also, I'm going to use my phone to do this video because most of you are actually trading these Solana meme coins on your phone. So it is best to do this illustration on your phone so that you understand all of the steps than using a laptop to do this video. So let's get started. So the name of this bot is called Auto Snipe. Now before you can get started, first you need your Phantom wallet, and I believe most of you have your Phantom wallet. Now the next thing you're going to do is you need to have some Solana in your wallet. You can see right here I just have 00. So let me send $1,000 to this wallet right now before I can continue. Alright, so you can see I have received $1,000 in my wallet right away. Now you don't need to start with $1,000. You can start with any amount you actually trade with. I'm just going to use this for the example in this video. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is to go to the description section of this video. So you're going to see this place saying start now. So what you're going to do is to click on this link right here. And next thing you want to do is you can connect your wallet from here and continue, but I like to do this on my Phantom wallet. So what I can do is to click this and copy this right away. And right now I'm going to open up Phantom wallet and click on, this is my Phantom wallet. So I'm going to click on this browser icon right here and I'll paste the website over here. Now it is important to use this website so that you don't go and click on a fake website, please. So once you open up the website, this is the home page of it. So I'm going to go ahead to click on connect and snipe. And I'll click on confirm. And after that, you're going to see an option which you can click on skip. So over here, you can see pairs, you can see AI sniper, which I've talked about in my previous video. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description. The next thing here is copy trading. And that is what we are interested in this video. And after that, I'll talk about how you can snipe Solana meme coins and buy any other meme coin of your choice. Right, so next thing I'm going to do is, for me to start doing copy trading, I need to have some funds in my wallet. So I can go ahead and click on this wallet right here. And let's deposit some Solana. So I can deposit 5 Solana. I think I have about 5.38 Solana. So let me go ahead and deposit 5.2 Solana. And I'm going to click on deposit. So I'll click on confirm. So you can see deposit successful. And my balance is refreshing right now. So you can see I have 5.2 Solana in this wallet right now. Okay, so let's go to the home page. And I'm going to click on copy trading. So the next thing you want to do is to look for wallets that you believe are profitable and you can start copying their trades. I already have wallets that I usually copy their trade, but for you watching this video, if you don't have any wallet that you actually copy their trade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to list out 5 profitable wallets that you can start copying their trade. Now that post, I'm going to make it on Twitter. Now, if you want those 5 wallets, go ahead and comment in this video saying I have signed up. Now, once you've done that, you can go to my Twitter account. I'm going to leave a link to that tweet in the description section. Go to my Twitter account and you can start using any of those wallets of your choice to start trading. And if you want to start doing these things by yourself, I've also made a video about it and I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Right, so this is the wallet I'm going to copy his trade. You can see he's holding about $3.5 million in meme coins. I'm going to copy his wallet and I'll come here and then I'll click on paste and I'll click on copy trader. Now, what is the name I want to set for him? So I can set his name as memes1, any name of your choice. So what is the exact amount you want to buy? So I have 5 Solana in my wallet. And I want to buy, for each coin I want to buy with a minimum of 1 Solana. You can do 2 Solana, 3 Solana, depending on what your balance you have and how much you are willing to risk per trade. Okay, so next, what is the total Solana to allocate? So I have 5 Solana in my wallet, but I can just type 10 Solana right here. That's because this wallet will be trading and I'll be making profit and I can actually roll over my profit. Okay, and even if I have my money stocked on different coins, I can still deposit more Solana in my wallet. But first, let me start with 10 Solana. Or you can do to 20 Solana. So let me do 20 Solana. All right, so next I'm going to set what is your stop loss target. So if 50% loss, please exit the trade for me on loss. All right, so right here you can see your take profits that has been given to you. So let's set this to suit the way I actually want it. So for me, first of all, if this gets to 100% profit, sell 50% for me. Doing that, it has actually sold my initial capital out for me, and that capital is safe. Right, so next, if it goes to 200%, sell 20%. If it goes to 300%, sell another 20%. And if it goes to 500% or 400%, depending on what you actually want, then sell the remaining 10% for me. So I'm just gonna have to X this one right here. So you can see all of them, all of these things sum up to 100%. So you can see it right here. So sell 100, when it gets 100%, sell at 200%, 300 and 400%. So this way you're going to sell in tranches, and then you don't sell everything in the initial pump, and that way you're going to miss out on other profit you'd have made. Right, so next I'm going to click on advanced settings. So set minimum threshold for copying buy. So the person you're copying is trade. How much is he going to use to buy a particular coin before you can start copying him? For me, I can say, okay, if this person buys a coin with 20 Solana, go ahead and buy this particular trade, or go ahead and buy this particular coin. All right, so what is the max buy per token? I just want to do 1 Solana, I don't want to go beyond that. And what is the bribery fee? I can set it at 0.001 or like 0.01, but know that the more amount you set, the more you spend on transaction fee, but that actually makes your transaction quite faster. So since I've done all of this, I can go ahead to preview to see that everything I've set is okay. And right now I can just click on activate copy trading. So right now it has been activated. Okay, so I can go to the home by clicking here in the home section, and if I click on copy trading, right here you can see active. I have one, so I have one wallet that I'm currently copying. So I can use the same method and I can actually start copying multiple wallets. It is advisable to copy multiple wallets because there are some persons that would not trade in a particular day, and if you're depending on that particular person, you might end up missing out on other trades by other profitable traders. So for me, I'll recommend you have like 5 to 10 wallets depending on the amount you're entering per trade and how much you have in your wallet. Okay, so I can go ahead and look for another person, and you can see this wallet here, which is also holding about $5 million. So I can go ahead and copy his wallet and come over here and paste it, click on copy trader. So I'll go ahead and set all those parameters for this same wallet, and once I've done that, then I've started copying their trades, and that way I have 2 wallets that have been set. Use the same method to set up multiple wallets of your choice. Now, since we are done with copy trading, the next thing I'm going to do is to show you how to start sniping Solana Memecoins, or how to buy coins on pump.fun, Radium, or any other exchange of your choice. Now, to do that, we have to come to the home section. So right here you can see this is the pair section where you can find all the coins on pump.fun. You can see them right here. Now you can also use pump.fun and look for any coin of your choice. Let's go to Google search and let's go to pump.fun website. Okay, so let's say this was the coin we found to buy. So what you can do is you can copy the contract address of this coin, and then you go to auto snipe, click on this search bar right here and paste the contract address of this token, and then I'm going to click on buy. Okay, so for this advanced settings, so this is what is going to speed up your transaction. Now, first thing I want to do is this priority fee. I'm going to click on it, and I can set it on extremely high if I want my transaction to be very, very fast, or it depends on what you actually want, but let me do it on extremely high. And let me enable smart MEV, and I'll have a bribery fee of 0.01 Solana. You can also disable this smart MEV so that you don't have to pay the 0.01 Solana. So right now, let me put in the amount I want to buy this token. I want to buy with 0.25 Solana, and I'll go ahead and click on buy token. So you can see instantly it actually bought this coin for me. So I can click on holdings, and you can see I'm holding this coin right here. You can see if I'm on profit, you can see it's already running on profit. Okay, it's going up, it's coming down just like that. And if I want to sell this coin right now, what I'm going to do is just to click on sell and click on sell token. And right now I have sold this token right away. Whenever you want to buy any coin, even if it's not on pump.fund, let's say the normal coin you see on desk screen now, all you just have to do is click on this search bar right here, and then you paste the contract address of the token. The moment you paste the contract address, you're able to buy this token right away. And this platform also have the pump.fund section where you can see all tokens under pump.fund. You can filter it based on what you want and based on any parameters right here, and you can also click here to buy any of them right away instead of going to pump.fund. So guys, this is all of the steps on how to trade Solana Memecoins with auto snipe. Now if you don't have an account, make sure to use my link in the description to sign up right away. And guys, this is the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.